Presenting a pre-owned 2009 Toyota RAV4 Sport. This four-door SUV has a six-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine with four-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Toyota has less than 163,000 kilometers on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 19 miles per gallon in the city and 26 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.
Thank you for choosing First Canadian Auto Sales and Service.